Good morning everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Pune and today we're going to visit Shaniwar Wada, which is a fortress that was built in 1736 if I'm not mistaken. So tara, samahan niyo ako today. Let's discover what's inside. Kaya lang hindi ko lang sure, nakita ko kanina na parang cashless yata ang payment to get inside, but let's find out kung pwede tayong magbayad ng ticket with cash. Okay, let's go.
Paint the sky your favorite color.
This place reminds me so much of Intramuros, particularly for Santiago. If you can see around, there are ruins. And you can actually walk on top of the wall and go around the fort. Yan. And behind me, makikita ninyo, I'm pretty sure that there used to be a structure there na nasira na over time, or I don't know. Kung siguro dahil sa gera or whatnot. Pero it is very similar to Fort Santiago. Apparently, there used to be a palace that once stood here. Nakakapanghinayang lang na wala na siya. It would have been very beautiful to see it. For whatever reason, it was destroyed. Nakakahinayang. Parang feeling ko, pag may mga cultural events, nagpa-perform sila dito. Kasi, on the other side, may mga benches. Alam niyo sa Paco Park, parang ganito yung eksena. Nung 80s kasi merong Paco Park Presents. May parang show doon every weekend yata. Siguro ganun din dito. Tara, baba tayo. Swerte natin today, hindi umuulan. At saka, nakalabas yung araw pero it's a cloudy day. At hindi mainit. So, it's a perfect day to stroll around. So try nating umakyat sa wall tapos maglakad tayo hanggang dun sa harapan. Para makita rin natin yung view from the top of the wall. Grabe yung contrast. Dito, napaka-peaceful. At saka pag nandun ka sa baba, hindi mo naririnig yung ingay ng kabila. And then outside the wall, ganyan siya ka-chaotic. At gaya ng sinabi ko, Indian people love to honk their horns. Kaya sobrang ingay. Pero pag nandun ka sa kabila, sa baba, hindi mo masyadong maririnig yung ingay dito sa labas. I guess it's also because the walls are fortified at saka sobrang kapal. Tapos di ba nung unang panahon, itong mga butas na to, ginagamit nila para silipin yung mga kaaway nila. Kasi hindi naman sila pwedeng dumungaw dito dahil baka tamaan sila ng sibat. Dito sila dumudungaw, and at the same time parang dito yata nila hinuhulog yung mga ano nila, mga weapons nila, parang mga yung bomba, hindi bomba. Ano, parang mga ano, ang tawag doon, yung mga molotov, parang mga molotov nila nung sinaunang panahon. So I believe nandito na tayo sa main tower or parang main lookout tower kasi ito yung pinakaharap ng fortress. Tingnan niyo yung pinto. Ganda no? Grabe. And I believe this is one of the few, if not the only remaining structure na natira dito sa fort na to. Can you imagine kung nakatayo pa yung palace doon? From this view, ang ganda siguro tignan. It's such a beautiful place to visit. So I strongly suggest if you visit Pune City, please do not skip Shaniwar Wada. It's a must-see place, and yeah, it's just beautiful. Nakaka-conscious mag-vlog kapag yung mga tao, lahat sila nakatingin sa'yo. But anyway, this place reminds me of Intramuros. It is very similar to Fort Bonifacio, Fort Santiago.